Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on with a beautiful series over here, Token Master, where we are in day one again of the season. So, last time I made a little bit of a mistake. What I did wrong was I had to purchase a refine so that we can actually get on that one. So right now I'm not going to make that mistake. So collect 10,000 gold. Did that already. Now we just have to plunder. Oh, sorry, Monopoly. Do that for, I don't know, 10 times. We'll see. If we get something special, then we don't have to do that much. Oh, we got a 2 rolls. So we don't have to do 10 of these. We could just do... we could just do a few. I think we need to do 4 in total, maybe, or 3. 3 spins, I think, in total. And this is if you win at least more than 3x here. Sometimes you get less than that. So we might land the question mark. No, we just got past it. That's a 3x already. So we got 6x. Not the greatest. We can do like, what, 2 more spins or something? Ooh, that's a 5x right there. Nice. I don't think we have to do any more spins, though. Okay, we still have to. We have to, what, do more, 2 more spins. And then I can show you guys here what we got in the previous season. So this is my previous season ranks. We only got a half of Mobox reward and 2 mech. So it's pretty terrible. We still didn't get our adventure mech though. So let's just do our adventure as well. Select any random 3 guys and booyaka shagalakashnash. There you go. This one is the lowest amount of people, so we'll enter that one as well. Always join the one that has the lowest amount of people, okay? Because it will reward you more in the long term if you do it. So, we need to do 2 more of these. One. And then the second one. Cool. Now we get the books. So that's books right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in here. So 1. This is the second guy we use, so 2. And then this is the third guy we'll use, so 3. And then we're going to start refining. So refining this guy first. So when we got a green ability there. Then we have the book to get the refine collection. Collect that. Then we're going to go to this guy. We're going to refine this once. And then we're going to go to this guy, refine this once. So is this a heal? Yeah, so we have 2 heals and one damage at the moment, which is not the greatest. We also want to buy one try every day, because that's how I do it, right? Buy 1 try every day. And just for the purposes of making the video, we're gonna... Oh, you can't fight in the first hour. Okay. So we just have to wait for the first hour timer to run out. And then we're gonna start fighting people as soon as possible. Wow, look at where my gold is already. Bro, if only, dude. I would love this amount. 5,000? 5,000 mech? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we can give it an hour or so, and then we will come back and do these tries for you guys. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, roughly an hour is done right now in 7 seconds. Just want to show you guys, I got the mail here right now, and it showed that we got 11.77 Mobucks here. With the reason why we got this is because of adventure rewards, yeah? So if you do have three purple momos, this is what you gotta do. Unfortunately, if you lend the momos, according to my knowledge, you will not be able to do this, unfortunately. But just do this every single day because it's very rewarding. You can see that I got 11 Mobucks from that. So every day I just buy one fight here. Now we got to search. And I think this season we're mostly just gonna focus on playing the game the right way, you know? Because at the moment I think I screwed up a little bit. Well, last weekend or last week I actually screwed up a little bit in the middle of the season. Two seasons ago, I screwed up at the end of the season, not at the start. So, utmost important for us to just play the game the right way, and that is very hard to judge what the right way is if you have absolutely, if you're brand new to the game. Let me put it that way. So we should get this perfect because we have 3 skills, and the guy we fight against doesn't have anything. So on leaderboard, you can see that, you know, like we were very highly ranked with gold. I'm just going to claim the gold again so that we are decently high again with gold. So that there's 537 people, technically more, or 537 people that has more hash power than me. If I look in the leaderboard over here, inside Mobox itself, you can see that our ranking is 932. So that number is technically correct if everyone is playing that has more hash power than us. The plunder right now says we're 21st, so it's a lie. I'm scared to fight again because we might fight against someone that's really good. So we might just have to wait a minute and get this number up to... oh, there's someone we can fight. So you want to get this number up to 16 or something before we continue on. The one thing I want to mention to you guys is every time that someone fights you, you can click on this X button right here. If you do that, you can see you have 5 out of 5 tries. The nice thing that not a lot of people know, if I click on this guy and fight him right now, the stars will count towards your daily quest. It will not count towards your leaderboard, but it will count towards your daily quest. And the plunder will count as well. So if I fight this guy right now, you can see that there's more than one. There's already 3 people I can fight. That's why I did fight this early. So if I fight this guy right here, we should be getting, yeah, we should 3-star this guy for sure. We should be getting these three stars in our daily quest and also the plunder. You can see that I only plundered once technically, but the stars count towards this. And the stars here should still show 3. You see that? So this is a way that you can farm a lot more books than other people, because you can get this thing done here where plunder 30 times. You can get this done very like every single day if you are high enough ranked where people are fighting you like this. So I just fought this guy. I can use the plunder right now to level up some skills. Let's just see over here. Green. What the? So green, and purple. So let's change this one first. Refine. So there's a white ability now. You can see that the refine is still not done. We need to refine twice more. So refine again. And we got our first gold ability. Deal 400% attack damage to one random enemy and increase your Momo's damage reduction by 20%. Increase your Momo's damage reduction. So if we go to defense right now, that one has to be first, because it might be our tank at the end of the day. So just putting that guy's in there. And then I think we're going to search once more. We're going to confirm this fight. And we just want to make sure that we are having our characters in the correct order. Not this guy. This guy. So having our characters in the correct order, because we're going to take way less damage now already with this guy right here. And we should be extremely strong compared to other people because we already have a gold ability. So this is done right here. We get perfect. And then we could just go back here where we already have 6 stars now. We can pretty much just fight the people to get this number down. We want to use all 5 of them. Because guys, if you do the calculation, there's 24 hours in a day, which means you'll get 24 tries. You get 5 plunders from this, and if you buy one, that's 30 plunders. So you'll get 30 every single day, and by having that, 30 every single day, you'll be getting these 30 plunders every single day, and this number would not move down. It would stay on 13 if I'm not mistaken. So just keep on doing that. Just want to fight people that barely won me, because it's the best way to get some gold back. Not that it's necessary. I might not actually rank with gold though. And there we go. We got another quest done. So this 2, the plunder 2 times. We already got this one gold. So now we just have to get one of these 2 gold. This one's purple already, so we're gonna use this one right here. Refine, and then we get another purple. So we have 2 purples and a gold already right now, and we should also get the 6 spells back or books back. So what is better to do now is to just get one a euro. That's going to be your tank. Get that all abilities, because now we have dodge, we have increased HP, and we have lessen damage. So right off the bat, that is already going to be way stronger. And just do that for all your momos, or as many as you can. Let's just do it like this. So increased attack, HP, and speed. So, and this one right here doesn't have that many, and it's because like I just want to get the ranking ready for my momos already. So just continue on to battle people that fight you. Just continue on fighting them. You want to get that 5 number down as soon as possible, because that is the hardest thing to do. Okay, I'm not going to skip. We can actually watch this. We don't have a healer at the moment. We just have decreased... Oh, we might have a healer. No, both is damage deals. And this one just decreased the damage you take on the Momo. If I'm not mistaken. Let me just read this again. Deal 400 damage to one random enemy and increase your Momo's damage reduction by 20%. Yeah, so it seems like the way I read it is correct. So we can fight this guy. But I think it has way better abilities already than us. And this guy right here. Let's fight this guy. Some of these guys would actually go full gold as soon as possible. Yeah, this is an easy one. He has he has gold as well. A healing gold. Increasing critical strike for for a while. We have like one of the best starts you can get in the game right now. Like, I'm pretty sure about that. This is the healer that's left, so we might actually not win. Yeah, he has the last attack there, so it didn't kill him in time, let me put it that way. But we got a lot of gold back. So on leaderboard right now, we're rank 173, and our gold rank is 585, so... Right off the bat, we're doing really, really good. We got our 5 done already, right? We can't fight again, I think. Yeah, we'd have no attempts left. So all that remains right now is to get this one done. And like you see, I'm 23 behind. So we're gonna remain on 12 for the rest of time. Let me put it that way. Because if we can get people to fight us the whole time, and we do this every hour, right? And we remain on 12. We can go all the way to up to 16, like I said in the previous videos. 16 is where the sweet spot is, but if you want to get this quest done, you'll have to be on 12 pretty much all day. So you can wait until it's 18, then fight your way back to 12. You can do that as well, because the longer you wait, the lower your rank becomes, and the easier it will become to fight people and collect these stars, which is the utmost important thing. But right now, these rewards are looking pretty nice. If I can just get this every season, I'll be very, very happy. Alright guys, if you did enjoy the video, please remember to leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, also hit the bell to make sure that you are tuned for the next videos. I just want to say that Mobox went down a lot, but so did the market. Don't get discouraged about the Mobox price, because we know where it's going to be in the future. Just do not get feared out of the market, is what people would say, and that is just my honest opinion. Just stick with the program. Do not have all your money inside one project. I cannot stress this enough. Yeah, diversify and just stay in the game. The only way you're going to become financially free one day, depending on how much you technically need, is if you stay in the game and continue on with your crypto journey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Cheerios, bye-bye.